Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S, and I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in case you need to. Now this key fob will be able, if the battery is completely dead, you are still able to get into the vehicle because it's by the range. If you walk to the door and, depending on your settings, walk to the door, push the lever, it will open it up, and then you'll put your key fob in a location inside so that it recognizes that the key is actually in the vehicle, and then you can drive. But for the functions of unlocking with pressing on the key fob, if the battery is bad, and if you don't want to have to put your fob in that location to drive your car, you'll want to replace this battery. So if you have your Tesla fob, looks very similar to this, then we just flip it over and you're going to see a little indent here where you can put your fingernail in there or a small tool and then be able to pop this cover. And then we have our little battery there to pop out. And the battery you need for this is a CR2032. And so you would go through that process of getting you a new battery and then being able to insert the bottom lip in first and then press it and lock that into the tab there. And so now front side, clip that in, and then being able to press it down, lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your key fob on your Tesla Model S. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.